Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the leave this conversation being grayed out on your group chat. So let's get started here. So if you open up messages, click on your group chat and then click on the top here. And you might be looking to click on this leave this conversation, and it's not able to or allows you to do it because it's grayed out, so you can't click on it. Now the reason why this is happening is, first of all, you have to understand, in order for this option to work, is that first of all you need 3 or more people in a group chat. So if you have 2 people, this will be grayed out, and that's how the group chat has been designed on iPhone. And then the other thing is that if there is even if you have 3 or more people, if there is someone with an Android device, basically a non-iPhone device, you will not be able to leave that conversation. So that person has to be removed, or whatever, however many people that have Android phone will have to be removed before you get this option available. So to show you in this time, so I have 2 people here. I'm going to add a third person here to show you how that will activate. So if I add another contact here, right, a done option here, and I have this now 3 people, they're all iPhone users. I have now the option here to be able to leave this conversation just like that. And I recommend is if someone you know is an Android person, you can have the main person maybe that created this group chat, have them remove them, so you can leave that conversation. In order to remove someone, you would simply just swipe to your left and then click on remove, and once they have been removed and there's more than 3 people, this option will be available and you can leave this conversation or leave that group chat like that. So that's the ways to fix that. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.